Hi, today we're going to be walking around our Texas Pride 20,000-pound Gooseneck Gravity Tilt trailer. Now these trailers have become extremely popular recently due to the fact that they are so easy to load with no ramps needed. Now part of this deck tilts for easy loading and is 17 feet long standard. The other part of the deck is stationary and can vary from 1 foot to 14 feet long depending on the overall length of the trailer. So let's get started at the front and work our way to the back. Now up front we have a 4-hole adjustable gooseneck coupler that allows you to adjust the height of your trailer to your truck evenly to ensure that your trailer is level while going down the road. Now behind the coupler we have a heavy 8-inch channel tongue with gusset reinforcements. Others in the industry often use a lighter 6-inch channel, but we feel that an 8-inch channel provides maximum strength and stability for a trailer of this size. Every Texas Pride trailer features all required DOT safety equipment, such as heavy-duty safety chains, breakaway switch with long-lasting battery, and more reflective tape than you will find on most other trailers. This trailer also comes standard with a 7-way electrical plug, and all the wiring on this trailer is modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. On either side of the uprights, there are dual 12,000-pound heavy-duty drop leg jacks with spring return. Almost all Texas Pride Gooseneck trailers feature dual jacks for more stability and lifting power. Walking around the side of the trailer, let's start with the main frame of the trailer, which is a heavy 6-inch channel frame. The inside frame of the tilt bed is also a 6-inch channel as well. On the outside of the frame, we have stake pockets with a 2-inch rub rail for securing your load from almost every point of the trailer. This comes standard on these models. As mentioned before, the 17 feet of the bed uses gravity to tilt for easy loading and unloading of your equipment. Included in the hydraulic system, there's a valve that allows you to lock the tilt bed in the up or down position. Locking the valve while the bed is in the up position ensures the bed will not go down while loading. The system gives you total control of the tilt bed's position and increases the safety of the operator. The crossmembers under the deck are 3-inch channel on 16-inch centers. Many other trailers this size use lighter angle iron for crossmembers and place them on wider spacing. The decking is pressure-treated lumber and is fully screwed down to the crossmembers, ensuring that it lasts for years of use. We also offer an upgrade to diamond plate steel flooring as well. Another nice standard feature on this trailer are the heavy gauge reinforced fenders, heavy enough that you can stand on. We also added steps to the fender for easier and safer access to the deck. For running gear, you have 2 heavy-duty 9,000-pound 8-lug axles with brakes on all 4 wheels standard. To get in a tight situation, you want all the braking power you can get. This trailer rolls on 4 17.5-inch premium radial 18-ply tires, mounted on 8-hole high-grade steel wheels for maximum stopping power. There's also an option for an available spare tire and wheel that mounts on the inside of the gooseneck. Out of the way, yet easily accessible. Now one highly important standard feature on these axles is the convenient built-in lubrication system. To fill or top off the central grease reservoirs, you simply pop the hub's center cap off and fit a grease gun over the Zerk fitting and fill. Simple and convenient. As we walk to the back of the trailer, we come to the tapered tail section of the tilt deck. Now, the last 2 feet of deck usually sees a lot of hard use when loading and unloading equipment. So we put sturdy diamond plate flooring on there for longer deck life and better traction. When it comes to the finish on a Texas Pride trailer, we spare absolutely no expense. The process starts with a full media blasting to remove any surface rust or scale. Then each trailer is fully primed, top to bottom, in preparation for the 2 top coats of automotive-grade acrylic enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures that you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models, and all lighting is either recessed or steel encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. We appreciate you taking the time to look at our Texas Pride 20,000-pound Gooseneck Gravity Tilt trailer.